Good morning, everyone. So look at what Elon did to Wesley's face, guys. He pinched Wesley boy. Looy.
No.
I don't act like that, Wesley. Elon. Come here, come here. Yeah, I will use it. I will use it.
Daddy.
Not yet. Nag-vacuum muna ako eh. Did you scratch? Hey, no. Did you scratch Wesley? Why? Why you scratch Kuya? Huh? Don't scratch Kuya next time.
Are you a bad boy? Are you a bad boy? Are you a bad boy? What do you have in here? Why do you have this toothpaste?
That's garbage
Why
now.
do you... Oh my gosh.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Dito tayo sa ano guys, maba. Hi, Elon. It's cold. But mainit na siya. But still cold.
Which ones are yours?
I don't know.
Says medium.
That's not mine.
Well, maybe.
It fits on me.
It'll be warm for Christmas time.
It fits on me. Dito pala yung pantry, guys. Yan yung ayan. Yan yung pantry. Sama, Ilan. And it's cold. Paano mo nalaman mag-ano? Paano mo alam mag-open ng doors? Oh my God, it's so cold, guys, outside. Malamig talaga yung hangin. Let's go. Pero mainit na siya, oh. Ang lamig lang.
Wait till Christmas.
Hey, stay here, baby.
You want it early?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the one who you want me to buy for you, right?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let me see.
Open it.
Okay, open it.
Don't lose instructions like you did when you opened your Nintendo and for
Pupunta kami ni Waylon sa Publix, guys, kasi bibili kami ng rice and ano, ang tawag dyan, mga chicken. Wala pa kasi kaming chicken dito sa bahay. Alin na, Waylon! Waylon, alin na!
Hey.
Na, hey.
Hey.
Ano na ka, uy?
Hey.
Here, pagdali. Unsay mong ingon ni Mami?
Mami.
Unsay mong ingon?
Hello.
Sorry! Kiss me. Oh, the corner on it. Kiss Mami Bella. Sing be. Na 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 na. Hurrah! Hurrah!
Man.
The marching on sa na na na.
Hurrah! Hurrah! Man. No.
Rain.
Yay! 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 Yay!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Yay! How about Deadpool?
Me.
Bye.
Bye.
You sing. Okay, let's go. Ang kulit. Alina, bring your ball. Bring your ball. Come on. No, maglisod ka, be. Oh no, careful. Oh my goodness, boy. Milan. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Ang init. No, don't do that. That's not ours. Wayland, bye. Okay. Bye. Okay, let's go now. Come on. Okay, I'll get it. I'll get it. What color is this? Green. Kana white. Kana green. Green. Ano ngit-ngit man kam? Igutom man ko. Sabi nila may ano daw dito, Filipino food. Filipino restaurant pala. May Max yung pangalan. So let's go guys. Yan yung ano namin. Wait. Kita ko sa inyo yung kalsada namin. Oh my gosh, I forgot where is my glasses. So let's go guys. Tingnan nyo yung ano namin dito, lugar namin dito. Yan, pababa to guys. Nakakatakot. Diba? What else? Mawilan. What? Diba? Sobrang peaceful guys. Wala ka talagang ano like sasakyan na hindi lang makita ng sasakyan. Ito yung tapos wala pa silang pwedeng mapaglakaran. Like if mag-walking ka ba, wala silang sidewalk. Tingnan ko kung anong tawag dyan? Maalala ko pa yung pinuntahan ko kahapon kasi pumunta ako sa Ras kagahapon. Tingnan ko siya if maalala ko. Kung makabalik ako doon. It's only 6 minutes drive. Kasi nakalimutan ko na yun eh. Yung mga ano dito, yung mga lugar para hindi na ako hindi na ako malito. Ang gaganda ng mga bahay, ang cute. So I'll see you na lang guys ha.
20 minutes later.
Hi! So nandito pala kami sa KNS World Market. It's like nandito yung mga international food and mga fresh na mga vegetables. Hala! Wow! Wow! Dito pa naman yung mga noodles. Oh. Kung makita. Wow! May rambutan dito. Malaki pala dito guys, oh. Ayan, maraming mga prutas at saka gulay na mas Barato. Ano na wilon? Ay, katugnaw. Tugnaw wilon. Tugnaw. Tugnaw? Look guys, may ampalaya sila dito. $2.29. Ito, tatlo na. Eh, katugnaw wilon. Nangurog dyan ko eh. May Philippine eggplant sila dito. Ganito ba yung talong sa Pinas? Ah, wait. Iba't ibang talong, guys. Na ay Indian eggplant, na ay American eggplant, na ay Thai eggplant, Philippine eggplant, and Chinese eggplant. Hey, wait, are you okay? Look, see? There's a lot of kuan. Galing talaga to sa Pinas, guys, oh. Mahal lang, $2.99. Oh my. Then may Skyflex. Ha? Asa man kagikan? Gikan ka Philippines? Ang lalaki din ang mga chips nila, oy. Hindi ko din naman tumakain mag-isa. Ayan, may maliit pala. No, don't touch. No. Wow, na-amaze ako kasi galing talaga Pinas. Let's get this one. And this one. Yay! And what else? Oh, this one, Piatos. This one is yummy. Yay! And naapay kuan tawag ana na shamrock. Anyway, lami anyway. Yay! Lami. Are you happy? Guys, may mga planggana din dito, guys, oh. Ayan. Next time bibili ako niyan. Tapos may ano din sila dito. Yung pag tinatakpan mo yung ulam. Ayan. Ang cute. Mahal naman ng durian, guys, ah. Tag $3.99. May nakita pala kaming mga Pinoy at Pinay, guys, na mag-asawa dito. Thank you. What the heck? It's $5. Isa lang ha? Isa lang yan ha? $2.50 na. Anong i-convert? Ayan si Wilon. Messi na Wilon. Wilon. Say hi. Hi everyone. Thank you. Saan ko ito ilagay? Hawakan ko na lang. So, I got shrimp and fish. So, frozen ko na lang ito siya para wala, may mga crabs ba? Look at that, Waylon. It's a live crabs. Look. Oh. Yes. My grocery buddy. Hi. Look at him. He's just eating. Is it yummy? Is it yummy?
Twenty minutes later.
Finally guys, nandito na kami. Dito ko na lang ito ilagay. Nakabili ako ng planggana. All I want is to love. your shoes is here. Come here, sabi. Ay, wait sa, kanina lang. Lulululu. Yung bigas. Halina. Ganun ko sana. Thanks, Mommy. Hold on, guys. Ano sa waist na guys? Tulog na naman si Waylon, guys. So, mag-stop by kami sa UPS store kasi send namin tong wifi namin dati. Wesley, let's go lah. Galaway pa siya ay. Wesley, Waylon di ay. Let's go na, way. Hindi na ako magdala ng bag eh. Kapoy. Maraming ding store dito ay. So ito yung nabili ko, guys. Ang palayan. Look. May rambutan ako. Kini. And kalabasa. Gabi. Tapos, pumunta pala ako sa Asian store. Ayan yung international market nila dito. And may na-meet ako na Pilipino, si Ate Cynthia. Hello po, Ate Cynthia. So ito talong, guys. Ang dami mga Pilipino food doon. Tapos okra at saka batong. Tapos meron din, nakabili din ako ng lumpia wrapper. So lumpia wrapper, ilagay ko na dito. Hotdog. Tapos bumili din ako ng isang isda.
Mommy, you took twice.
Wow! Because he ate one tablet earlier. And shrimp. Okay, hold on. You don't have to wait, boy. Close your eyes. Close your eyes first. Here.
Yay. Yay.
Tapos bumili din ako ng tuyo. At saka itong oyster sauce. Ayan, tuyo. Tuyo natin sa Pinas. And mga junk food. At saka pancit canton for William Boy. And ito din pala, guys. Oh, nakalimutan ko. Bumili din ako ng planggana. Kasi yung mga damit ko na mga yung hindi pwede washing na sira na. And like nung nasa Florida kami, nasira yung mga damit ko kasi niwa-washing ko. Wala kasi kaming planggana doon.
You can sing it?
You ask your dad. Ice cream time! That's walnuts. I don't know what this is. Yeah, that's yummy. No, don't do that, Waylon. So they're eating ice cream. Oops! Oh my gosh.
It's not normal. It's not yum.
It's not yabo? Because they're... Wala man na yabo. Kaya nangaon man sila og vegetables tonight.
Yay.
Ano siya magikaon?
Spam.
Eggplant?
And spam.
Spam. Okay, spam og...
Egg.
Spam egg og talong og rice.
Yeah.
Very good man sila. Ikaw, Waylon? That's marshmallow.
Mama,
20 minutes later.
So, alam nyo guys, dito na lang ako mag-e-end ng live. ng vlog pala. Hello. So, nilagay ko na si Westy doon sa bed niya at saka si William. Tapos, nandito lang si Waylon sa akin. Meron. So, anyway. So, after namin pumunta doon sa market, guys. Tapos, umuwi kami sa bahay. Bumalik na naman kami sa Ras. And then, pumunta na naman ako sa Kroger. Like, grabe talaga. Sakit yung likod kasi sakit yung ulo niya. Napasar-pasaran pa yung kaon. And after that, nagluto ako ng eggplant. Hindi ko na na-vlog. Tapos kumain na kami ng hapunan. Tapos pinaliguan ko na yung mga bata. And now, we're ready to go to bed. I mean, siya lang pala. Kasi ako maliligo pa ako. So, see you guys, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you, and please follow our page sa Facebook Kid Family. Thank you po guys. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Kiss.